So they have the 2007 Honda Civic LX Coupe 2-door. What happened is I did a road test and making a lot of not grinding noise but hum noise, you know, like you can't really hear what it is, like an airplane, you know. So I find out that the rear wheel bearing here is bad, and I'm gonna replace that. So when you drive it, you put load on it, you can hear more. But even though no load, you still hear it. So I can show you on that. Okay, when you spin it, you can hear that. Even though without load, you still hear it. So I'm going to replace the rear wheel bearing right here. Okay, so stay tuned. You can hear more now. Okay, it doesn't have play, but you can hear the noise. Now this is very simple. I bought a complete unit. There is a for a bolt holding the back here. Okay, and very simple how to do it. Let me get my socket. And this is a 14mm socket. So on right here, you can either take that clip here out, so which is just a snap right there. Not sure my camera can see. Push. So now it's out of the way. You can use the socket or open wrench like this. Pop open. It's not that tight because this is less than 50 foot-pounds only. Okay. The 4 bolts I'll just pull and it came off. Simple. And the new one ready to go in there. You can get this from Auto Part, or you can order online a lot cheaper. So I didn't order online because I can't wait for it. The new one and the old one look very similar. Okay, and it's only one way to go because this side's a little bit open than the other side. So the closer one is on the bottom and the open is on the top. So on this right here, there's no rust. It's very clean in there. So I just slowly slide this one back in. Okay, then snap in, put this. So this, you can torque this up to 50 foot-pounds. So or you can just do it without doing torque on it. It doesn't hurt. Any bulb that you see in the car, they do have a torque on it, but some you don't have to do. You just make sure you know the size of the bolt, and you just feel like, okay, this is a 14, this should be more than 50 foot-pound, you know, like 19, 20 or 100 foot-pound on those, you know. So you socket. Okay, that's it. Just run back in there and you're in business. You see that? There's no more noise, right? See that? Quiet, super quiet. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching. Goodbye now. You know how to do your, okay? Simple. Very easy. Only for a boat. You should know how to do it. Thank you. Bye-bye.